Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to minimize a single or multiple open program window to taskbar using only a computer keyboard. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I am using a computer mouse, right? So for this video tutorial we are not going to use a computer mouse to minimize a single or multiple open program window. So say firstly let me open one program. Say let me open a notepad, right? So this is one program window. So here I will show you two methods how you can do it using your computer keyboard. So for the first method, what you can do is on your computer keyboard just press Win and M letter key to minimize it to your taskbar, and if you want to restore it back just press Win, Shift and M again to just restore it back. So this is the first method, and the second method is just press Win plus D, and once again to restore the minimized program window just press again Win plus D again in order to restore your open program window. So now you might be thinking this is a single program window. If I open a multiple open program window, will this tricks gonna work or not, right? So let us open one more program. So I have opened one more program, and let me open one more program. So right now I have opened a 3D print program, right? So let us try the first method again by pressing the Win and M. So now you can see all the open program window gets minimized to the Windows taskbar, and in order to restore this minimized program window just press Win, Shift and M again to restore all the minimized program window. And let us try the second method. Just press Win plus D, and to restore it back just once again press Win plus D again to restore all the open program window. So these are the methods that you can easily minimize a single or multiple open program window to taskbar using only a computer keyboard in Windows very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.